Let's get started. Beef qeema, onion, green chili, red chili powder, salt, egg, black pepper, homemade patty masala, garlic paste, gram flour. Mix together properly. Take a round cutter and mixture 120 gram. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Fry for low-medium flame. Fry it lightly brown and change the side. Take aside. Burger sauce preparation. Mayonnaise, mustard sauce, honey, tomato sauce. Mix it well. Egg fry for low-medium flame. Take aside. Cheese slice. Toss the burger buns. Assembling. Burger sauce. Iceberg lettuce, beef patty, egg with cheese slice, tomatoes, onion, French fries.